Calm Premium subscription pricing explained what you get for your money. If you've ever searched for a way to stress less or sleep better, you've probably heard of Calm. But what exactly does a Calm Premium subscription include? And is it really worth paying for peace of mind? Let's break it down. Calm Premium costs $99 per month or $99 per year, and for that price you get access to a complete toolkit for mental wellness. The core of Calm is its guided meditations, thousands of sessions for stress, focus, anxiety, and better sleep. But that's just the beginning. You also get sleep stories, narrated by voices like Matthew McConaughey, Idris Elba, and other celebrities designed to help you drift off naturally. Most people get this wrong. They think Calm is only for meditation, but it's actually an all-around relaxation platform. Premium users get daily Calm sessions, breathing exercises, soothing soundscapes, and music designed by top artists to help you focus or unwind. The app also includes Calm for Work and Calm Kids sections, making it useful for families and professionals alike. And if you struggle with consistency, you love the progress tracking and reminders that help you stay mindful every day. So, what do you get for your money? A science-backed, beautifully designed app that makes meditation, relaxation, and better sleep accessible anywhere, anytime. If you're ready to invest in your mental well-being and create real calm in your daily routine, the premium plan is a small price for a big change in how you feel.